Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this week it's time for another challenge of the Diecast and Modelers Community on Facebook. This month's challenge is to tackle any Jaguar model. On the turntable we have the Dinky Toys 157 Jaguar XK120 Coupe. The model was introduced by Meccano UK in 1954 and remained in production until 1962. Color variations included red, yellow, green, several two-tone paint schemes and a very rare cream-white version which can fetch pretty high sums. The Jaguar XK120 was produced by Jaguar between 1948 and 1954. It was launched at the 1948 London Motor Show to show off the new Jaguar XK engine. Jaguar's first sports car after World War II caused quite a stir, and William Lyons, chairman of Jaguar, greenlit the production for what was then the fastest production car in the world. It's impossible to know what color this model had since it was stripped by someone who wanted to restore it but gave up. Nevertheless, the two remaining yellow wheels indicate that this was probably either a yellow or a green version. The rear wheels are missing altogether, although the axle is still in place. The bottom plate has been removed and the rivet posts have been drilled out, so that saves me some work. Nevertheless, I can already see some pitting from corrosion, so I'm guessing that it will be a little more of a challenge than a simple respray. So without further ado, let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The Jaguar XK120 was a popular post-war dinky model. Like all models of that time, it was pretty simple, just a body, wheels and a bottom plate. We were still years away from interiors and plastic windows. Someone apparently wanted to restore this model but gave up, probably when he saw the pitting. The rear axle is still there, but the rear wheels are gone as they were held in place by the body. A nice project for the Any Jaguar challenge of the Diecast and Modelers Community. And here we are after the restoration. It took me a lot of putty and sanding and a couple of layers of primer to remove the pitting. Of course, I also lost some casting details in the process. The bottom plate was straightened and resprayed, and the car received new rear wheels and 4 new tires. Maybe not entirely factory fresh, but at least we got close. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.